In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printer under $1,000 on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. RESIONE GK Tuwu 8K 3D Printer. The RESIONE 8K 3D printer utilizes LCD molding technology and offers a high level of precision with a slice thickness of 0.1 mm and a maximum printing speed of 2 to 3 seconds per layer for 0.05 mm. Operating with a power supply of 110-220V, this printer supports English and Russian languages and runs on the Linux operating system. It is designed to work with 3D resin consumables and offers a maximum print size of 28128H245mm. The machine is CE certified and features an interface type of USB, making it suitable for a range of users and applications. With its advanced capabilities and certification, the RESIONE 8K 3D printer is a versatile and reliable choice for high-quality 3D printing projects. Number 2. ANYCUBIC Photon Monom 5S. The Creality 3D printer utilizes LCD molding technology and operates with a voltage range of 110-220V. It is CE certified and comes with a 1-year warranty, making it a reliable choice for users. With a focus on high precision, this 3D printer offers printing dimensions of 200,218,123 mm and has overall machine dimensions of 290,270,460 mm. Suitable for various industries including garment shops, building material shops, home use, printing shops, and construction works, the Creality 3D printer is designed to meet diverse printing needs with its compact size and high precision capabilities. Number 3. LCD 3D printer. The SADI-JPR 3D printer, with the model number Creality Hallet 1, is a high-precision LCD-based printer designed for a range of applications. It features a compact product size of 221,221,404 mm and operates with a low machine noise level of 60 dB. With a printing size of 12,780,160 mm and easy manual leveling, this printer offers a user-friendly experience. It has a net weight of 7.1 kilograms and supports a wide range of input voltages from 100-240V. The machine's power output is 24V, 3A, and it supports a power supply of 100W. The SADI-JPR 3D printer is equipped with a creative UI style and a 5.0 capacitive screen for interactive control. It supports multiple languages and operates with a light curing wavelength of 405 nanometers. With a CE certification and support for photosensitive resin consumables, this printer is suitable for various professional and personal applications. Number 4. Newest 3D printer. The SADI-JPR 3D printer, known as the Creality UW02, is a versatile and efficient machine designed for high-quality printing. With a slicing thickness ranging from 0.02 to 0.4 mm and a power supply of 60W operating at 100-240V, the printer supports both Chinese and English languages. It offers a maximum working speed of 250 mm/s and operates with a bed temperature of 100 degrees Celsius. The printer utilizes general-purpose resins and achieves a precision of +0.1 mm with a 0.4 mm nozzle diameter. Its maximum print size is 240,160,200 mm, utilizing LCD molding technology and supporting voltages of 110-220V. With CE certification and a net weight of 8 kilograms, the printer offers a fully enclosed box type and supports a variety of curing and washing modes. It operates with a light curing wavelength of 385 nanometers and 405 nanometers, and the input voltage ranges from 100-240V with an output constant voltage of 24V/2, 5A. The model is designed with a mirror stainless steel curing platform and a PP cleaning bucket material, providing a comprehensive 3D printing solution. Number 5. LCD UV Photocuring Resin Printers. The Creality LD00 2H3D printer, manufactured by SADI JPR, is a precision-oriented machine designed for high-quality printing. It features a slicing thickness of 0.03, 0.05 mm, and a printing speed of 14s/layer, powered by a 72W supply. While it does not support auto-leveling, it offers language options in Chinese and English and is compatible with a range of operating systems, including Windows XP Vista, 7, 8, 10, Mac, and Linux. The printer utilizes Chitubox slice software and is compatible with various types of filament, including ordinary rigid photosensitive resin, standard resin, and elastic resin. With a precision range of 0.01, 0.05 mm, and a 0.4 mm nozzle diameter, it provides a maximum print size of 13,082,160 mm using LCD molding technology. The machine operates at voltages ranging from 110-220V and interfaces via USB. It is CE certified and equipped with a 3.5-inch touchscreen display. The product size is 221,221,403 mm, with a net weight of 6.5 kilograms and a gross weight of 8.3 kilograms. The printer's XY axis accuracy is 0.051 mm, and it offers a lift speed of 50 to 200 mm per minute. The light source configuration includes UV integrated lamp beads with a wavelength of 405 nanometers, ensuring precise and efficient light curing for optimal print results.